You're not lazy. Your brain's being hijacked. Every scroll, every ping, every just one more video, it's rewiring your mind to crave distraction. And here's the brutal truth. The longer you stay distracted, the harder it gets to escape. But what if I told you there's one mental habit so powerful? Neuroscience calls it brain training. It's simple, it's hard, and it starts with pain. Your brain wasn't built for this world. It evolved to focus for hours on one goal: hunt, build, create. Now, you're surrounded by infinite stimulation. Dopamine hits every second, and each one weakens your mental muscle. Research from Stanford shows multitasking lowers IQ more than smoking weed. Worse, it trains your brain to avoid effort to run from resistance. So when you need to focus for work, for studying, for building your dream, your mind resists. It craves the easy way out. This is not just a bad habit. It's a war inside your brain. And most people are losing fast. There's a way out. A habit so small, most ignore it. It's called deliberate discomfort, and it changes everything. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Pick one task that matters. Turn everything else off. Then just sit with the urge to quit. Don't run, don't switch tabs, don't scroll. Feel the restlessness, the anxiety, the panic to escape. That's your brain rewiring. That's neuroplasticity, live and raw. Neuroscientists call this effortful control. It literally strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus, willpower, long-term thinking. You're not just doing a task. You're lifting mental weights. You're training the mind to obey you. It won't feel good. It won't feel natural. But that's why it works. Discomfort is the path. Resistance is the proof. And the reps you do in silence? They echo when it counts. This is how you rebuild your mind. So here's your challenge. 10 minutes, one task, total focus. No noise, no excuses, no second chances. You'll hate it at first. But if you stay in the discomfort just once, you'll feel it. Control, strength, clarity. Do it again tomorrow. Then the next day. And you won't just change your habits, you'll change who you are. This is how high performers are made. Not by motivation, but by mastery of the mind. Start today. And subscribe if you're ready to take back your focus.